In this video, I'm going to show you how to skew text in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have some text over here inside your canvas. And then the easiest way to do this is by going to Vector and holding this Move tool. And then you want to go to the very right-hand side over here. And as you can see, you'll be able to see this box, which basically extends the text box. However, when you go to the right of it, you'll be able to see an up and down arrow. If you hold down your left mouse click, and then you just basically go up and down, as you can see, the skewing is going to start to form. Now, that's one way of doing it. However, if you of course go down here to the bottom, just below this circle, you'll be able to skew to the left and to the right as well. Okay, so that's the easiest way to do it. However, if you want some more control, you could also go into the transform tab down here at the bottom right. If you can't see this, just go ahead and click on the window up top, go to general, and then make sure transform is enabled. And when you have that here, you can just go ahead, select your text box, and then over here down at the bottom, as you can see, it's going to say shear. You can just click on that, and then you'll be able to skew in here as well. So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.